Boston departure, good morning, JetBlue 1055, 1100 for 5,000, via Silk 7.
JetBlue 1055, Boston departure with contact. JetBlue 1055, so maintain 10,000.
10,000, JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, so maintain 14,000.
14,000, JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, contact approach 20.6.
20.6, JetBlue 1055 today. And Boston JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, Boston, go ahead.
I would like to declare emergency return back to Boston Airport. We just have a left captain windshield shattered.
Okay, JetBlue 1055, roger that. You can stop the climb, maintain 6,000 when you're able, and you're clear to Boston Logan Airport via radar vectors, flighting 150.
150, 6,000, and vector JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, you need to go back in right now?
Affirmative.
JetBlue 1055, turn left, heading 090.
090, JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, turn left, heading 360, and descend to maintain 4,000.
360, 4,000, JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, when you get a second, I need souls on board and fuel and pounds, please.
All right, souls on board 145, and just stand by a second.
Okay. JetBlue 1055, continue left, heading 330.
Left 330, JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, just pass along the fuels and pounds, please. Contact the first 126.5.
265, good day, JetBlue. Thanks for assistance, JetBlue 1055. First, good afternoon, JetBlue 1055. 4,000, that's it.
JetBlue 1055, you ready to come back in?
Yes, sir.
JetBlue 1055, so to maintain 3,000.
3,000, JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, just a heads up for you, when I switch you over to tower, you'll be on a discrete frequency with tower as well as rescue.
Thank you.
JetBlue 1055, normal speed, turn left heading 310.
310, JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, turn left heading 250, intercept localizer 22 left.
250, intercept localizer 22 left, JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, you're 6 miles from Vocus, maintain 2,000 until your established localizer. Cleared ILS runway 22 left approach.
2002 established clear ILS 22 left, JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055, contact tower 134.05. Good day.
3405, good day, JetBlue 1055. Boston Tower, good afternoon, JetBlue 1055, ILS 22 left.
JetBlue 1055, Logan Emergency Services are also on this frequency, runway 22 left, ready to land.
22 left, will land, JetBlue 1055.
Logan Command aircraft is next to land.
And Tower, just to update 1055, it's a left cockpit window, it's completely shattered, but so far it remains intact. If it doesn't completely broken, we won't require any assistance.
JetBlue 1055, copy. Logan Command, did you copy all that? JetBlue 1055, any right turns available?
All right, we're making the right here on Echo on JetBlue 1055.
JetBlue 1055 on Echo, hold short of runway 22 right. Are you requiring any additional assistance?
On Echo, hold short 22 right. And no assistance at this time, JetBlue 1055.